I package this thing now when they here, so you no go know say me where they here, so I get Gbola.
My people, the girl wey carry prick and toto don't come out do video come dey tell the public how she take the package her Gbola for inside cloth. She talk say no dey easy o, say na only her dey for this world, nobody dey support her, everybody just dey mock am say she carry Gbola. This girl story na another story to remind you make you dey kind to people. No be everybody wey dey smile dey alright o. Some people dey really get challenge for inside house, they just dey package themselves for outside make people no mock them too much. This girl's video really touch my heart. When I been dey hear this girl story, me ma rush go Google make I find out wetin dey cause am. But no be small thing. I go play the rest of the video make una use una ear hear wetin the girl talk. If you be new subscriber, you're welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you are new to this channel, my name is Unedited TV. Please do well to subscribe. Follow this channel for more ogbonge news with the totori body. My own na to bring una latest news with the totori body for this channel. Trust me on that. It's still amiable girl Cindy. If you be old subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around. I love you guys so much. See you guys on my next episode. Stay safe out there. Bye.
I package this thing now when they here, so you no go know say me where they here, so I get Gbola. So if you see my old video, you no go sense anything like Gbola, guys. And I'm going to post those old videos here for you guys to watch. And before I go watch the old videos that I'm talking about, that you will not even know that this girl have Gbola. So I'm going to post the video for you guys to watch. But first, I go show now how I take they push and go inside. How I take they use my two laps, they press and go inside. And use pint hold on so that it no go show. Then I go show you guys. So let's go there, guys. So like this now, I don't want to make it show at all. What it did there? No, before you to put her inside, you should can go inside. Use your two leg, press her for there so that nobody go see him. Okay, watch this gun now. Watch this gun. This video now, I'm not going to shake it or do as if I cut some parts, come out. You are going to see what is about to happen with your eyes like this. And I'm not going to edit this video. I will just post it just the way I do this video. So guys, let's go there. So now if you see me they waka like this, they waka pass you like this, you gonna say I get Gbola? No, you're not gonna say I get Gbola. So everything about this life now packaging. So many girls they this world where they say they carry Gbola, but you no go know. They carry big Gbola they waka, but you no go know. See, we will get her, we know as we take the package am. We know as we take the fold and go inside so that una no go notice. For years, I don't the fold that they come. Nobody they notice am. For years now, nobody they notice am. Even when I dey small, if I wear pint finish, you no go know. Now pint I dey even dey wear safe. Then they push and my mother they help me. They push and they go inside. They go use pants, take tight and pint when tight well. So now wetin that strategy now that they use since years now when they say I can even dress like this and go to club and go to anywhere. Nobody will even know that I have Gbola. Nobody go know say I get Gbola. Nobody go know. So let me play those videos for you. The videos when I be they do them back then when we say I still never show myself as say I get Gbola, guys. Watch out for the videos. Let me not talk too much. Just watch them now. Watch the video and see what I'm talking about. You will not even see any sign of Gbola. Thank God now here I stand. Anything for? No. Nothing for. You don't even see anything like Gbola again. I don't feel that inside. Now this time I had the Bobrisky. What is that? What is the name? James Brown they use. The Gbola that they put that inside. All of us, we know what we are doing. So guys, hating me or disliking me or telling me that I am lying is not going to stop me or stop anything. My Gbola dey gidigba. He dey gidigba. You know if he comot am, you know if he stop me. Or let's say I decide to say make I go, make the comot am. Make I do surgery, make the comot am. Your mouth no fit comot